So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Zeus Telegram bot. So from your Aurum dashboard, once you're on the dashboard, scroll all the way down until you see this here. It says Access Aurum Neobank in Telegram. So you click on this button that says Join Now. That will open up your Telegram, the Aurum Neobank. And then all you're going to do is click on Start. And then once you start, you'll go through a few processes on the screen. Unfortunately, I've already done it, so I can't show you that step. But then once you've got it, you just click on Open the app. Once the app opens, you've got some buttons down the bottom. So you've got the home screen, which is the one that I'm on now. You've got the Aurum card, so you can order the Aurum card. This one here is a virtual card, and this is the physical card if you want to get those. This one will be your downline, so people that you've invited into the business. And then this one here is the actual robots itself. Now on the robot screen, I've already got a bot running. This is my wife's account, and she's trading with 1 Bitcoin, and that's gone up to 1.1 Bitcoin now. But you'll also see not active. Now on here, you'll see you've got Doge and Tether, Pepe and Tether, Ethereum and Tether, you've got Bitcoin and Tether, Litecoin, and you've got BNB. This BNB is grayed out because I'm already trading that one. So let's go back now to the home screen. What you want to do is, if you scroll down here, down the bottom, you'll see your various wallets that you can hold tokens in. So you've got the Aurum token, but it's not available yet. You've got Polygon, Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, Doge, and BNB. Coming back up to the top, you click on Top Up. You choose the token that you want to top up with. Now, I was doing BNB, so I choose BNB. It gives me a wallet address. Obviously, your wallet address will be different. You copy that wallet address and you send your funds into this Aurum Neobank wallet. Once they arrive, then all you do is click on this rocket sign here in the right-hand corner. Click on that, and you'll be on the inactive screen. You'll choose what you're trading. You might have deposited Bitcoin or one of these other tokens. You'll choose what you're trading. So I'm just going to click on Bitcoin. I haven't got any Bitcoin, but you would put in the amount of Bitcoin or the amount of Doge or Pepe or Ethereum or BNB, whichever token you've chosen, then you would click Start the bot. And if I go back here, you can see there's my active bot. Now you can stop this bot anytime you like and withdraw the funds back out. They get put back into your wallet balance down here. This can't auto compound, this Zeus bot. You have to compound yourself. You can, depending on how much you've got trading, you can either do that daily, and what you do is you click on Stop the bot and then restart the bot, which I'll make another video showing you me compounding tomorrow. But at the moment, I've already compounded this morning, you see, 31 minutes ago, but I never made a video, but I will make a video. That's how easy it is to get set up with Aurum's Neobank and start your Zeus bot. Now, if you'd like to set up a trading bot and you've not done already, and you want to create an account with Aurum, below this video, you can find a link. It's going to take you over to a page where you pop in your email address, and then I'm going to send you this page here, which is a page to show you how to get set up. There's a video presentation, mind-blowing. That presentation will blow your socks completely off. I've got videos to show you how to get set up. I've also got a video there showing you that I did a withdrawal. So if you're interested in earning up to 18.5% returns average on a month, then click the link below this video and I'll show you how to get set up with this amazing business. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.